Pajan, the Chief Medical Officer of the Mount Sinai Health System, and I'm glad to speak to you today about what Mount Sinai is doing to ensure the safety of our patients. A lot of people are talking about the new normal. What hasn't changed at Mount Sinai is our commitment to the safety of our patients and staff. The other thing that hasn't changed is your need for health care. Your health is too important to put on hold, whether it's a routine checkup or screening or a procedure that's medically necessary. It is important to get the health care that you need when you need it. But we do understand that you have concerns about safety. At Mount Sinai, we have been leading the way in treating COVID-19, and we are putting that knowledge to use and keeping you safe. I have with me Dr. Bernard Kamens, the Medical Director of Infection Prevention. Dr. Kamens will now tell you about all the steps we are doing for your safety.
Thank you, Vicki. Throughout the Mount Sinai Health System, we've put into place rigorous protocols to protect our patients. Before your appointment, we will call you prior to your visit to ask you if you have any COVID-19 symptoms. And to reduce your wait time and contact with others, as much as your check-in as possible will be handled electronically before you come in. When you arrive, we will also then ask you about screening questions for COVID-19 symptoms. Patients showing symptoms will be referred to a telemedicine visit or rescheduled for after they recover. Throughout your visit at Mount Sinai, you will notice that all patients and staff are required to wear face coverings as well as appropriate protective equipment. Patients and visitors will be provided with a mask if needed. Please be aware of our visitor policy. We are adhering to visitor restrictions in order to minimize the number of people in our facilities. There are exceptions in certain departments, so please visit our website at mountsinai.org for the most up-to-date information. During your visit, there is no better time to emphasize the importance of hand hygiene. We recommend that you wash your hands with soap and water at least for 20 seconds frequently. We also will make alcohol-based hand sanitizers readily available for our patients and staff throughout the health system in case you don't have access to soap and water. As far as social distancing, we're minimizing contact between patients by spacing furniture, minimizing the number of patients in waiting areas, and scheduling more time between appointments. We are monitoring the number of patients in elevators. You will also see visual aids of our elevator safety guidelines. We will also encourage the guidelines for social distancing, which is to keep 6 feet away from each other. You may not notice it, but behind the scenes, all areas are rigorously disinfected, including waiting rooms, patient rooms, and high-touch surfaces. Patient care areas such as examination rooms and treatment rooms are disinfected thoroughly between patient visits. And high-touch surfaces such as doorknobs and kiosks are continually disinfected. Staff are monitoring for symptoms of COVID-19 twice a day. In addition, we are also testing employees for exposure to COVID-19. As far as separation of COVID-19 patients, all of our patients who are being treated for COVID-19 are isolated from others. For inpatient surgeries, we have special rooms and wings reserved for our patients that are separate from where COVID-19 patients are being treated.
Thank you, Bernard. As you can see, the new normal is anything but business as usual here at Mount Sinai. We are sparing no effort to keep you safe when you visit us. Now is the time to see the doctors you need at the health system you trust. Whatever your healthcare needs, we are here for you. Here's what we are doing behind the scenes to keep you safe. The Mount Sinai Health System mission is to provide compassionate patient care with seamless coordination and to advance medicine through unrivaled education, research, and outreach in the many diverse communities we serve. We care about you and we consider it a privilege to care for you. Your safety is essential to us. For more information or answers on frequently asked questions, please visit us on the Mount Sinai Safety Hub at mountsinai.org/safetyhub. Thank you so much for joining us.